This is Wolf. He's playing his airsoft gun as a guitar. I hate grip pods, they're too big.
Huh?
The grip pods, they're like too...
Wait, what?
His grip pod.
That's huge.
It's long.
Can I hold it real quick? I want to try the CXP. I took the top rail system. It actually feels good up here though, because you have the thick part. So you're kind of like...
24 hours
Yes,
ago, I want a
Yeah,
piece of dating. Nothing.
It's faster than the G3.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
I don't like this, dude. It was open a lot more last
I know
time.
they got rid of the
Garrett, or...
Hey! Same thing?
Yeah, go.
5, 4.
Right, help! Go! Keep going!
Good God, dude! Fucking idiot! Connor, what do you got?
Grace is about to come back. What? First time. No. Man, he's got... Hold it. Drop the fluffy. Good morning.
And I got you!
Hit!
Are you
What? Yeah, yeah. Sorry, bro.
Dude, Curtis is not calling his hits. I popped him with the pistol. Bat, 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 bat.
What you doing?
No shoot, no shoot, no shoot, no shoot!
Hit! Oh! Good!
In the black house. You good? He got hit in the back of the neck. We need to get back up.
Oh!
What, bro? Hey, watch out, Chris. You got that wall.
Hey, they're us! They're us!
My bad.
Yeah.
Comes in! It's over! It's over!
Hey, it's over!
It's over!
Hey, game over!
It's over!
Game
We
over.
got it!
Game over, man. We got it.
It's over!
It's over! Roll the game! Wow. Game over. Did they not call the game?